So, hi everybody, a very good morning, good afternoon. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and the CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Just your great start on a dark chocolate. Why am I having this? I love chocolates, it's fun and it's totally a kickstart for energy and stuff. And of course, on days when you're feeling a little down or whatever because of the weather or because of health concerns or whatever, chocolate is the best to give you this amazing kick and stuff, okay? So, I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and the CEO of I'm Decor Design, and I'm sharing this message to invite everybody and let everybody know that we've got our drum circle happening today, which is a community drum circle. So this is for fun, this is for rejuvenation, this is for chilling, enjoying, this is for meeting new people, and of course the great music and the bonding that it has with it is unbeatable and stuff. So most of us started this community in 2009 2010, and I've been with them for a bit, not a very long time and stuff, and it's been amazing. We've had so many new friends, so many memories, so many places and causes we've played for. We've been at different venues for purposes and causes like environment. We played at festivals. We've done street, playing. We've done stuff in auditoriums. We've done stuff in embassies. We've been on the stage and stuff, and we've also played for causes which are social causes. I've personally put together a workshop along with the drum circle people at some villages, to kind of not just entertain but also kind of teach children in the street to kind of make instruments out of bottles and music out of that and stuff. So that's a different story altogether. But the point is, this is an open invitation. We are playing at the Drum Circle, Cha Bar, CP. It's easily connected by the metro. So if you think your traffic is going to be a concern or whatever, the weather is a concern, there is a metro connected, and it doesn't take more than a few minutes to kind of reach there or whatever, depending on the destination and stuff. And the weather is nice, so join in. It's going to be super fun. You don't have to get an instrument. You can just join in and you can be a spectator. If you have a djembe, that's great, because the purpose of drumming is to kind of have a collective medium for drumming and kind of letting your energies out and more. Okay, so this is a djembe. So that's the djembe. Most of you know by now. If you don't know, this is a djembe. So you got to play the djembe. So this is non-stop drumming and stuff. So keep your expectations light, because we don't know how many people are turning in. But whenever we play in the drum circle, it is super fun, because the place, Cha Bar and Oxford Bookstore, has nice, interesting coffee. They've got some interesting books. And it's one of the spots where a lot of, intellectuals and creative people coming and stuff. So I'm expecting a few known personalities also to be there. Some of my friends from the industry of theater and movies are traveling and stuff, so whatever. Anyways, that's a different thing altogether, but the point is a request for you to join in and have a blast and fun. So this is going to be absolute rocking. You're going to kind of get energized. You'll notice and see people doing different stuff. They're going to be college children, they're going to be children, they're going to be the youngest, I think, who's been on the drum is a guy I remember, Gautam or someone, who's was just about 3 years or 4 years. And of course, you have the senior veterans, and you have people from all across the world and the community coming in. So join if you can. We start today. You can check the details on my social media page. And the idea is to get together, to connect, and to create synergies and energies where everybody has fun. You forget your whatever work you do and everything, and you just join the fun and have a blast, okay? So please follow my social media page to know the time and the location and stuff. It's easy. Just come in and, have some fun. Okay, so love and luck. Take care. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com and jashinkapani.im@gmail.com. So if you want to recharge your batteries, and if you want to kind of connect with a community and people and make new friends and stuff, this is a great spot to be at, okay? And of course, CP being the hub, there's lots of places to kind of shop, there's a lot of places to eat, lots of places to kind of just soak up the sun, and of course you have Jalpat right across, and you have interesting stuff happening there if you want to pick up something from street shopping or whatever and all that. Okay, you've got eating places, you've got nice fountains,